I'm still struggling with my Mini with the oil pressure. After the car heats up, we have oil pressure warning because I replaced the oil pump and timing chain and oil filter housing, but there's still some problem. There was no oil pressure at all, so now there is some. It's kind of then it heats up to working temperature. It's 0.5 bars, should be 0.7. So I now replaced the non-return valve, but there is it used one, so we'll see how it changes. I can get new one, but it needs to be pre-ordered. It's 1 week, so I don't wanna waste the time. So we'll see what's gonna happen. So we just run car to the temperature. And we'll check. It runs low, so we'll see. Ruin the engine, so we're gonna look for something else, because that valve was from old engine, but I was looking for something to change, but nothing changed, so it's not the valve problem. So next thing to do, I'm still replacing the supercharger, because it's worn out, but I don't want to change it before I fix the issue with the oil pressure, because I don't want to mess with the new one and do something to them. We'll see. So we still have an issue with the oil pressure at the warm, so we're gonna do some work with the valve. There is some O-rings that go on the camshaft, so I don't know how I'm going to put them on, because they're some kind of plastic, but we'll try it. And because we're removing the camshaft, so we're going to replace valve seals as well, but we're not going to take off the head, so we're going to try to do it with the leak tester. Put some pressure into the cylinder and just try to remove the valve springs without removing the head. So as well, we're going to change the hydraulic lifters, because we're removing the valve springs and everything, so I think it's going to be the same job. So we'll see how it's happening. So I think we found the problem with the oil pressure. Look at this. Gorgeous. It's an intake shaft and all of it toasted. Look, all of it. So I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna need to take off the